It's our last night in Cusco. Tang says we look like oversized kids.
Overgrown.
Overgrown kids, whatever.
Move away, dog.
Hola amigos, we are on our 4th flight in 10 days. There is a lovely time as usual. We are going to Puerto Maldonado, which is where the Amazon is. We'll be there in an hour. Hey guys, we arrived in Puerto Maldonado and it's very hot and humid, and as you can see behind us, it's very green. There's a lot of lush vegetation here. We are going 1 hour and 15 minutes down the River, where our lodge is located. Welcome to the jungle! Hola Amazonas, this is our lodge called Eco Amazonia, and it's beautiful. Everything is pretty much outdoors. The only thing stopping us from being outside are mosquito nets in our lodges. This is what it looks like at the entrance. You can hear lots of animals, birds, insects flying. It's pretty awesome. And it's super hot too. Very, very beautiful here. And the river is right there. Hey guys, you like my shirt? Look! Hello, Quisita. Qui means guinea pig in Spanish, and she's a guinea pig! Oh, okay. So, this is our lodge, and this is a map. So every lodge is named an animal. We're Sultan, which I have no idea what that is. So we're right here. So, vamos! Come on in! First room is a mosquito room to get everything caught in here, if it even gets in. And then it's our bedroom! Woo! No windows. See, those 3 are just mosquito netting. These 4, no 5 are just mosquito netting. Bathroom! This, which only gives out cold water, no hot water. And our bathroom, albano. And if you look here, and you're changing or showering, everyone can see you! Because there's nothing covered. Even the front door. Whee!
Wow.
Hey. Hey.
Wow.
Hey.
Oh,
No.
Beggars can't be choosers.
Hey. Hey. Wow.
Just stuff that shit, yo. Yeah. Keep the
Go
leftovers.
closer. Go closer. He'll take it.
Yeah.
Go with this. Go with this. In your hand.
You wanna try your water?
Hey, hey.
They're all gone now.
Hey. 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 He doesn't like it.
Good.
Yum. Hey, you greedy monkey. Share with your family.
Share with your family.
Amigos, come. I have bananas for you.
Oh, God.
They're coming. They see my bananas. They sense it. Come on. Come. Hola amigos, we are here in Miraflores, which is the nicest and fanciest district of Lima. Over here you can see the coast, so we've been to the mountains, we've been to the jungle, and now we are ending in the coast of Peru. This is what it looks like. Where we are here is Larcomar, which is a strip plaza along their coastline. Very, very fancy. All the condos and houses around here are so pretty. Much nicer than what we have. Here is Claro. Some casinos. That's a Marriott hotel.
I should have bought my poncho.